Guidelines for successful business plan implementation.
Do you want to start a business?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
In order for you to start a business, there are guidelines you have to follow and there are implementations in order for you to start a business. So if you are ready to start a business, let's follow this rule. Are you ready? Let's go! So we have 4 guidelines for this topic. And those guidelines are objective, task, time allocation, and progress. And for the first guidelines will be discussed by Jane Rose Estor.
Objective. The entrepreneur should have a clear idea on what is his purpose of putting up his enterprise.
So objectives are the clear goals or purpose of starting a business. The entrepreneur should know what he or she wants to achieve, such as earning money, helping people, or providing services to the community.
Task. This means that the entrepreneur must know what are the tasks he has to perform in order to realize his objectives.
Tasks are the responsibilities or activities that the entrepreneur needs to do in order to achieve the objectives. This includes planning, selling products, and managing the business.
Third is time allocation. Means that the entrepreneurs should have a timetable or a schedule to follow to every task so that the task will be accomplished timely and he can realize his objectives.
Time allocation means having a schedule or timetable for every task. This helps the entrepreneur finish the work on time and achieve the goals of the business more effectively.
So the last guidelines is progress. This means the entrepreneur should monitor the development of the task and the accomplishment of the objectives.
Progress means monitoring or checking how the business is developing. The entrepreneur should observe if the tasks are being completed and if the objectives are being achieved.
So let's move on to requirements to start a business.
The first requirement is Securities and Exchange Commission registration for partnership or corporate.
This is required for business that are partnerships or corporations so they can legally operate.
Department of Trade and Industry registration for a business trade name.
This is for registering the business name or trade name of the business.
Mayor business permit for getting the license to operate the city of municipality and payment of your local business tax.
This permit is issued by the city or municipality. It gives the business permission to operate in that area.
Bureau of Internal Revenue BIR registration for getting TIN official recipient invoice registration of your book of accounts and playing your national internal revenue tax.
This is required to get a tax identification number, issue official receipts, and pay taxes to the government.
SSS and PhilHealth and Pag-ibig found registration for registering for yourself of your company as an employer and for remating your employees' contribution together with your employer's share.
These registrations are required so the business can register as an employer and provide contributions for employees.
So that's all, and thank you for watching and listening.